guys, welcome once again to my channel. And in this video I'm going to share my haul from Swiss Beauty, and this is very first time that I bought products from Swiss Beauty, and some of the products I'm really liking. One or two things are just like okay types, but most of the products are good, and the best part is prices are really good in Swiss Beauty products. And it was on sale, and on top of that I got two products for free. So let me share what I got. So in my first order I got this lip palette. This is number 03 lip palette, and this is all these shades. I love this because this has this color, this shade that I really love. And then I got, in this order only, I got this nail polish, and there was one more nail polish, reddish in color, that I got, and I like that. And this makeup fixer, this comes in this bottle, and I've used this 2-3 times and I really like this. And this was free. This is blusher, so this I got for free, and I think this is really good and handy. This is the the shade, and this comes with a sponge that you can use with the blusher, so it's very good and handy. Then I made another order in which I got this. These are matte lip liners, and this has got, let me just open it. So this comes in this kind of box and says bold matte lip liner. So you have all the shades here. I think this was on sale like 200 something. I'll quote the prices, but this has all the shades, and these are really nice, and you can sharpen them. So I have used this one today. So I think with the quality and the price, these are really good. I never like spending too much money on lip liners, even though I always use lip liners. But for me, it's like waste of money buying a 500 rupees lip liner when you can buy these ones, and all the colors you can get. Then in this order only I got these two nail paints. I'm not too sure, I haven't used them. I'm not too sure how good they are. They might also can look a little bit cheap kind, but I'm not too sure how they'll really look. And then I got these what are these, metallic eyeliners. So this is one shade that I got, and the other shade that I have on today is this brown one. So this is the cover that it came in, out of packaging. And then I got this lip shade, which is really nice, and I love this purple shade on me, so I can buy all the purple shades. So this one I'm really liking, and I've used this one today. This I got for free. So this is a lipstick, Matte Revolution. I don't like the shade, but I can use it as a blusher, I think, or maybe if I'm making ombre lips, I can use this. Other than that, I cannot use this standalone. There's one more. I think I've got two of them, and both of the shades I don't like. So there's like peachy kind shade, so this also cannot be used by me. So these are two free that came with two orders. And then I got loose foil pigments. I'll show you guys the shades. And that's all I got. So these are all the things that I got from Swiss Beauty, and I think they're really good. Looking at their prices, these are really good stuff. So I'll review it for you, whatever I have used so far. So today I have used the lip liner from this, and the purple color I have used. So color, the name is mentioned here, so it's really easy, and I think you can get all the colors, all the shades are here. So I think this is really good and handy if you want to buy matte lip liners. These are really good, and I'm liking the color payoff too. So this I am really liking. So this is the purple color that I've used today. So here it is. See, I think it has a good color payoff too, and you're getting all the shades in like 200-300 bucks. So I think it's a good buy. and the lipstick that I have used is this lipstick. So I like the packaging and I like how sleek it is, and also the price. And the best thing I like is that it doesn't feel heavy at all on the lips. So I am not feeling at all that I'm having any lipstick on. I love Sugar Cosmetics lipstick, but those are a little bit drier than this lip shade, and also they feel heavier. You can feel that you have the lip color on. But this one, I think this formula is really nice. I'm not feeling anything at all. Color payoff is good, and also they are not like that drying on the lips, and staying power is also okay. So for me, I think this is really good. And if you guys want to try some matte lip color in liquid lipsticks, then this is a really good option. Then I have used this eyeliner today, which is metallic eyeliner. It is really good to, when you use it on your eyes, it is really good and it goes very smoothly. So this is how it is. And I think it, it's really nice and handy when you put it on here. The tip is really nice, and this is how it is, very sleek. And they had like 4, 5 or 6, 7 colors or shades in this, and I bought 2 of them. I think I am liking this, and I might just go for all the other shades. One thing that I'm not liking is this, because I'm a liquid lipstick kind of person. So for me, this is not working, although it is lip matte colors, but I'm not liking this somehow. This is 03. I have used 2 or 3 or 4, 5. I think I have used 4 of them just to try them on. I think shades are nice, but I don't know, somehow I didn't like the formula, because I like liquid lipsticks. So that is why for me it's like not the finish that I was looking for, not the texture that I was looking for. But if someone likes lip palette like this, so it is very, very reasonably priced. I think this is also a good option, but these are not for me. And then the loose foil pigments. When I was looking in the reviews, everybody was just going gaga over these. I haven't tried any of these. So this is the very first time I'm even opening. So this is the shade, is like golden shade, and these will be really good. It's come like that, and very visible. Ooh. See? Sorry. So it's here, so it's quite visible. I might just try it on to show it to you guys. So this is the one shade, which is, I don't know what's the number is. This is 08. So this is the golden shade, and I'll just try it on to show it to you guys. Then I'll show the shades first. So this one is the second shade, and this is 13 number. Is like this, like rose gold shade. And the third one that I got is really like shocking blue color. So it is this. So if somebody likes smoky eyes, these will be perfect, I think, if I am going by the reviews, because I haven't used these. The makeup fixer I have used, this is the first makeup fixer that I have ever used, and I really like the way it makes my face lit. It just brightens up the face. So for that reason, I really am liking. This is with aloe vera and vitamin E. Price is really reasonable, and I cannot use it right now because I have my earrings on. These are new earrings that I bought from W, and I really, really am loving these. So I don't want to spoil them. So this is how it is. It has a nice fragrance too, but every time, like I've used 2 times till now, and every time I've used it, or the 2 times I've used it, I really love the way it makes the skin feel, just brightens up the skin. So I think Swiss Beauty products are really good and the prices are really good. I'm going to put the loose pigment on. I'm not a pro makeup person, but I'll just try to put them on to show you guys how is the color payoff. So I'll be back with you. So I'm showing you guys just the color payoff of this blue loose pigment. So the color payoff is good. I think if you use them properly, you can really have a good smoky eyes with these. So color payoff is really good and I think they're nice. And then I wanted to review this because I've used this 4-5 times now and I am really liking. So let's just blush on, just use it like that, and then you have this side sponge. I think this is really handy, and then you can just do like this. So I think this is really handy when you go, you can just put it in your purse, and then you're good to go for the blusher part. So I think this one I am really liking. So 2-3 things I'm really liking, this blusher and also the makeup fixer is really good. So that was all about my haul with Swiss Beauty, and they go on sale, so that is why it was a really good deal that I got in pink. It was Pink Friday sale or whatever, that I got the products in. So that's all about my haul of Swiss Beauty, and some of them are really gem. So that's all guys.